Hey, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be pulling the alternator out of my truck. I got a problem here, my belt's rubbing, and you can see there. So it actually wore the back of the pulley right off. So I don't know if this is sliding back on it or what, but I'll pull the alternator out and see what it kind of looks like. I'm gonna pull my intake out first. So let's have to pull the up pipe out of here. You're gonna want to stick a rag here so you don't get anything in. So pretty much all you gotta do to take the alternator off is just loosen up your pulley, get the belt off, and there's just two bolts. Two 15 mil bolts holding it on, and your one power wire here. So just a 1/2 inch end. If you got one of these tools, it helps a lot. Oh yeah, so look at that. The alternator, the pulley's actually sucking in. It actually wore the first lip right off it there. Oh, that does not feel good, that alternator. Nice. A 15 mil. Since this one's no good, it's gonna bum one out of a parts truck and stick it in here for now until I get another. So just a little Vaseline on each of them, or else they're a nightmare to get back together. Just make sure you got the seal good around here. But so the reason I put a little bit of tape here is I was having problems with it wanting to fall off. So it just gives it a little lip. So something to catch on. It'd be nice if they would have put a lip on the end of these instead of just being flat. So you don't have to worry about your filter falling off. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more.